Hello friends, now we see the next part of unit 4 sound, that is known as part second. In this again the parameter of sound. This is the part of this A part, that is parameters of sound, and in this second part we see. In this part first we see the measurement of intensity of sound, acoustic intensity level measurement. Measurement of intensity of sound. The intensity of sound refers to external or objective measurement, and loudness refers to the internal or subjective aspect. Intensity is defined physical quantity, and the loudness is merely a degree of sensation. It may be different for different person. Loudness of sound increases with the intensity of sound according to the Wegener-Fechner law of physiology. Loudness is a logarithmic function of intensity. If L is the loudness and I is the intensity, then L is directly proportional to log I. L equal to K log I, where K is constant. This law is called Weber-Fechner law. So this is one of the important part, that is L equal to K log I. Threshold hearing. The lowest intensity of sound that can be perceived by the human ear is called threshold hearing. Means the minimum frequency of sound that which we heard, it is known as the threshold of hearing. Least audible intensity of perfectly healthy human ear is called the threshold hearing. Means the healthy person, the which is the minimum intensity of sound, that is the least audible intensity of sound which is heard by the healthy human ear is called threshold hearing. This is also one of the important point. For a sound of frequency 10 kHz, threshold of hearing is 10 raised to power minus 12 Weber per meter square. The human response to intensity of sound is not linear but exponential or logarithmic in nature. Means like this, logarithmic in nature. If I and I0 are the intensities of two sounds of a particular frequency and L and L0 are the corresponding measure of loudness, then L equal to K log I and L0 equal to K log I0, where I0 is the threshold of hearing. The difference in loudness is called the intensity level. Intensity level I equal to L minus L0. I equal to K log I minus K log I0 to the base 10. Here base is 10. So I equal to K log I minus K log I0. By the using the properties of logarithm, here we say that log I minus log I0, we can write log I upon I0. First we take K common, therefore I bell equal to K log I upon I0, where K is 1, then I bell equal to log 10 I upon I0. Where K is 1, then the intensity level is expressed by unit called bell. So bell is the unit of intensity of sound or level. Since this unit is too large, 1/10 of it is called decibel is taken for practical unit. The loudness 1 in dB is given by 1 dB equal to 10 bell equal to 10 log I upon I0. For least audible intensity, that is I0, that is I equal to I0, I dB equal to 10 log I0 upon I0, that is 10 log 1, it is equal to 0 because the log 1 is 0, therefore 10 into 0 is 0, corresponding to the threshold hearing. Means this is the least intensity of sound which we heard. For sound of 10 dB, that is 10 equal to 10 log I upon I0. So 10 up this 10, if we take to the another side, 10 upon 10 is 1, so 1 equal to log I upon I0. Taking antilog on both side, if we take antilog on both side, so 1 upon I0 equal to 10, that is I equal to 10 I0. Sound of 20 dB, that is 20 equal to 10 log I upon I0. Again if we take 10 this side, so 20 upon 10 means 2, 2 log 2 equal to log I upon I0, taking antilog on both sides. Therefore, I upon I0 equal to 10 square. So here is antilog. Both side if you take antilog, therefore you will get like this. I equal to 100 I0. For sound of 30 dB, 30 equal to 10 log I upon I0. So 3 log equal to log I upon I0. And if we take antilog, so log and antilog will cancel. Here you will get I upon I0. And here 10 raised to power 3, that is you will get an I equal to 1000 I0. And like this, so on. Here 30, next 40, 50, like this we can take so many. Hence the loudness of 20 dB sound is felt double than 10 dB, but its intensity 10 times larger than the 10 dB sound. Similarly, the 40 dB sound intensity is 10,000 times larger than that 10 dB sound. The dynamic range of audibility of human ear is 12 bells or 120 decibel. Suppose 1 dB equal to 1, then 1 equal to 10 log I upon I0. It gives I upon I0 equal to 1.26. It means that the intensity level alters by 1 decibel, then the intensity of sound changes by 26%. So this point is also important. Human ear can detect the lowest change in intensity level by 1 decibel. Phone. The another unit used for measuring loudness is called phone. It is measure of intensity level compared to the reference tone by define the intensity and frequency. It is ratio of intensity level of 1 dB between the pure tone of frequency 1000 Hz produced by a pressure of 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton meter square, and the another sound Newton per meter square may be there. Force pressure equal to force upon area, so here it is Newtons per meter square. Another sound of 2 being heard by both of ears one after the other. The phone scale and decibel scales coincide at a frequency of 1000 Hz. Acoustic intensity level measurement. Absolute measurement of sound intensity is difficult as it requires measurement of small quantities like displacement, pressure, amplitude, etc. Relays disc is used and microphones of different kinds are calibrated. An experimental arrangement is shown in below. Here we say that this is the arrangement and here it is the source, like this. An arrangement consists of a horizontal cylindrical resonator in which a circular disc is suspended by a quartz fiber. So with the help of this quartz fiber, this disc is suspended. A source of disc is kept inclined at 45 to the axis of the resonator. So this is the source, it will make inclined. Mirror M is attached to the quartz fiber. Here it is the mirror M is attached and the sound is incident and it will reflect like this. The sound is incident and it will reflect like this. Using lamp and scale arrangement, the movement of disc can be noted by the spot on the scale. When the sound enters the resonator, the disc gets deflected, produce a tensional couple can be observed in the form of deflection on the scale. The couple C acting on a circular disc is given by C equal to 4 by 3 rho y cube r square sine 2 theta, where where r is the radius of the circular disc, rho is the density of the medium, v is the velocity of the medium, theta is the angle between the normal to the disc and direction of flow. The deflection of the spot on the scale is proportional to the sound intensity. Two sounds of different intensities can also be compared by nothing the respective deflection of spot by lamp and scale arrangement. Okay, thank you.